Good evening. Tonight, we witness a pivotal moment in the world of digital currency. The Pi network, with its global community of tens of millions, is making its most significant move yet, the second mass migration to mainnet. This event marks a new chapter for the project and its dedicated users. This is the moment when digital tokens mined on smartphones become a real, usable currency, opening up new possibilities for everyday transactions and digital finance. Years of development, innovation, and community building have led to this, where Pi transitions from potential to reality. The journey has been shaped by countless contributors and visionaries. The network is moving from a closed environment to an open, live ecosystem, turning Pi into a true medium of exchange. This shift will allow users to interact, trade, and build within a thriving digital economy. Millions worldwide are preparing to move their Pi to the live blockchain, a testament to the power of community and accessibility. The anticipation is palpable as users get ready for this historic migration. Unlike other crypto projects, Pi has always focused on everyday people, making this migration a defining moment for the industry. It's about bringing blockchain to the masses, not just the tech elite. This isn't a passive event. It requires your active participation to secure your assets and claim your stake. Each user plays a vital role in shaping the network's future. The window of opportunity is open now. What you do next will determine your place in Pi's future. Don't let indecision hold you back from this unique chance. Take the necessary steps to be part of this financial revolution. Your involvement today could have a lasting impact on your financial journey. The actions you take today will shape your role in the new digital economy. Seize this opportunity to be a pioneer in a rapidly evolving landscape. This is your call to action. Don't miss it. The future of Pi, and perhaps your own, starts now. What exactly is the mainnet? In the world of blockchain, this term is fundamental, but often misunderstood. Think of it as taking your model car from a workshop, known as the testnet, and finally driving it onto the real road, where it faces real-world conditions and can interact with others. For Pi Network, mainnet is the live public blockchain where real transactions happen, and where your digital assets gain true significance. Here, your Pi coins officially exist as a genuine cryptocurrency, recorded on a decentralized ledger that is transparent and secure. Mainnet access means true ownership. Only you control your coins through your private wallet keys, giving you full responsibility and freedom over your assets. This is the heart of decentralization and financial sovereignty, where no single entity can dictate what you do with your money. Once migrated, you can send, receive, and use Pi in the growing ecosystem, opening up new possibilities for digital commerce and peer-to-peer transactions. It's like activating a global bank account on a next-generation network, accessible from anywhere, at any time, without traditional banking barriers. Mainnet is where Pi's utility is realized, transforming it from a speculative asset into a functional currency you can actually use for goods and services. The value of Pi comes from its utility and the size of its network, both activated by mainnet migration, as more people join and use it every day. Millions can now transact, creating a vibrant, self-sustaining economy that grows stronger with every new participant and transaction. This is more than a technical upgrade. It's an economic launch, propelling Pi into a new era of digital finance and opportunity. The collective belief of millions is about to become real economic activity as Pi transitions from vision to reality. Gaining mainnet access makes you an active participant, not just a spectator, empowering you to shape the future of this digital economy. The future of Pi starts here, and your journey as a true digital pioneer begins now. Migrating your Pi to mainnet should be your top priority. This second mass migration is time-sensitive. Acting now ensures your Pi is ready for use as the economy launches. Early participants will be the first to explore, spend, and invest in the Pi ecosystem. Until you migrate, your Pi is just a number in the app, not a real usable asset. Migration is how you claim your digital property and move it into your personal custody. Those on mainnet early can engage in commerce, set price precedents, and help establish Pi's value. You become a builder of this new digital nation, not just a resident. The process is secure and accessible. Don't postpone it. Prioritize migration to ensure your time and effort translate into real digital currency. The opportunity is now. Don't let it slip by. Complete the steps and join the wave of empowered pioneers. Secure your place in Pi's future. Before migrating to mainnet, you must complete KYC, Know Your Customer. KYC verifies you're a real, unique person, protecting the network from fake accounts and fraud. It's a straightforward process. Submit a government ID and confirm your identity with your phone's camera. Only Pi mined by authenticated individuals is eligible for migration. This ensures fairness and trust. Completing KYC unlocks your ability to move Pi to mainnet. Check your Pi app for a KYC invitation and be ready with your documents. This isn't just bureaucracy, it's vital for the network's health and security. By verifying your identity, you secure your assets and strengthen the Pi economy. Don't delay. Your participation is essential. KYC is your key to the future of Pi. After you complete KYC, it's time to set up your Pi wallet. Think of it as your personal digital vault on the mainnet, designed to keep your Pi safe and accessible only to you. The Pi wallet is non-custodial, which means only you have control over it, not the core team, not anyone else. You are the sole owner and manager of your digital assets. This also means you're fully responsible for your own security. There's no one to reset your password or recover your wallet if you make a mistake. When you create your wallet, you'll receive a unique passphrase. This is your master key, and it's the only way to access your Pi. Write your passphrase down, store it securely offline, and never share it with anyone, not even people you trust. If you lose your passphrase, you lose access to your Pi forever. There's absolutely no recovery option, so treat it with the utmost care. Think of your passphrase as your most valuable possession in the digital world. Guard it as you would your most important physical belongings. Your wallet address, on the other hand, is like your bank account number. It's safe to share with others for receiving Pi, but never share your passphrase. Make sure to confirm your wallet address in the mainnet checklist to successfully migrate your Pi to the blockchain. Once your Pi is migrated, you'll be able to send and receive Pi on the live blockchain, opening up new possibilities for transactions and participation. Take your time, double-check your passphrase, and carefully follow the app's instructions at every step to avoid costly mistakes. Practice with Test Pi to build your confidence and get comfortable with wallet features before handling your real Pi. Your wallet is your gateway to the new global economy, connecting you to a world of digital opportunities and decentralized finance. Setting up your wallet is a powerful step toward financial independence. Take pride in owning your digital future. Secure your digital future with care, and remember, your Pi wallet is the key to unlocking new possibilities. The real excitement begins when you start using your Pi. For the first time, your digital currency has real-world purchasing power. Pi's vision is to be a currency for everyday people, and now it's becoming reality. Pioneers are already using Pi for coffee, groceries, and gadgets. As more migrate, the number of merchants accepting Pi will grow, creating a circular economy. Beyond shopping, Pi enables peer-to-peer exchanges and global freelance work. The mainnet migration empowers you to participate in a more accessible, equitable financial system. The power of Pi is now in your hands. Pi is already being used in real transactions worldwide. Pioneers are buying meals, taxi rides, and groceries from local vendors who accept Pi. These everyday transactions prove Pi is a practical medium of exchange. High-value trades, like smartphones, laptops, and even land, are happening in some regions. Community-driven marketplaces and apps are emerging for buying and selling with Pi. This grassroots activity is building the Pi economy from the ground up. As official commerce apps mature, trading will become even easier and more secure. By migrating, you can join this marketplace as a buyer or seller. The opportunities are immense. Connect with verified merchants and platforms. To get started, message our official Mobix for guidance into the world of Pi commerce. The Pi economy is open. Step in and participate. This mass migration is a unique window of opportunity. Acting now puts you at the forefront of the Pi economy as it opens to the world. Early movers set the precedents for trade, value, and community. The core team is prioritizing engaged pioneers. Don't miss your chance. Delaying could mean missing out on the formative stages and early advantages. The migration is structured in waves for a smooth transition. Resources are focused on this moment. Take action now. Complete your checklist and move with the momentum. Early participation means immediate access and a front-row seat in a global movement. The clock is ticking. Claim your stake in Pi's future. Seize this moment and continue your journey on the mainnet. The Pi network stands at a historic crossroads. The second mass migration is the grand opening of a new global economy. We've covered mainnet, KYC, wallet setup, and the real-world potential of Pi. This is your invitation to transform years of effort into tangible economic power. The journey begins with migration. Your actions today shape Pi's future. Complete your checklist, secure your passphrase, and prepare to engage with millions worldwide. The promise of a decentralized, accessible currency is being fulfilled. Embrace it. The tools are in your hands. The network is ready. The question is how you'll use Pi to improve your life and community. For practical help, reach out to our official Mobix to start using Pi in daily transactions. Don't wait. The future of finance is here, powered by Pi. Thank you.